Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Do you want to know how to experience comfort during your menstrual cycle? I have a lot of tips and tricks for you. If you're a person that experiences discomfort and pain and miserableness and bloatedness during your menstrual cycle, you just keep on watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Although this video is geared towards my female subscribers or my female viewers, if you're a single father raising a daughter, or you're an older or even younger brother that want to pass some information on, tag them in this video, share this video, or simply just learn the information and pass it on. We're going to talk about the menstrual cycle. First, we need to know, what is the menstrual cycle? A lot of us still don't know. We just know that certain times a month we have a period where we are unclean and we just go through it, but we really don't understand it. This video is not really explaining the menstrual cycle. If you want me to do a video explaining the menstrual cycle, go ahead and leave a comment below and I can explain that in details. But this video is mainly how to be comfortable while experiencing discomfort, basically during your menstrual cycle. Answer the question of what the menstrual cycle is. Just the period where your body hit puberty and a lot of changes start to take. This can happen as early as 10 to 16 years of age in the female. And there are changes that takes place in the male too, but they don't have a menstrual cycle. The body starts to experience changes during the puberty years. These changes are just hormones developing or maturing. It's just a natural process that the female body goes through. During this period, hormone levels rise and they fall, affect your mood like a motherfucker. But it don't just affect your mood, it affects your appetite, your energy, everything. It's kind of like your whole new person during the years of puberty. So parents, siblings, don't get mad at your sister when she's going through her menses or going through those years of puberty. The length of your menstrual cycle varies from 25 to 35 days. The menstrual cycle consists of 4 different stages. So yes, there are stages in your menstrual cycle. The first stage is the menstrual stage, and that's just where you bleed for between 3 to 10 days. I know people will have their menses for longer than 10 days. Usually the regular period should be from 3 to 7 days, but I do know regular people gone to the doctor and their body's okay. They just have a little longer period. So that's okay. Don't be alarmed if your period is a little longer than 7 days, but I feel like if it's more than 14 days, you should check with your doctor or start seeing a school nurse if you're in a community center or something, because maybe something is wrong. I don't want to recommend or say anything specifically is wrong, but a lot of things that could be wrong with your menstrual phase last longer than 14 days. The second stage of the menstrual phase is the follicular stage. The third stage is the ovulation phase, and here is where, if you're old enough and you're planning for a child, this is the perfect time to attempt to get pregnant. This is the perfect time to have sex if you're planning to have a child. If you're not planning to have a child, this is the time to have protected sex or no sex at all. Fourth stage is called the luteal stage. That's L-U-T-E-A-L, and this is the end of the period, and this is a part that we all love. We love the end stage. We love when it's done. We don't like period. Girls don't like period. We don't like period. Now those were the 4 stages of the menstrual cycle. So now we're gonna talk about ways of being and staying comfortable during the menstrual phase, and that's the phase we're gonna talk about, comfort in the menstrual phase. Basically, how to have more pleasant period. Is there such thing as pleasant period, women? But anyways, that's what we're gonna talk about, how to have pleasant period. I know at this time of the month, I myself, like most of you out there, we're feeling hungry, angry, bloated, miserable. We're just terrible. So there, I have tips that will make this time of the month more relaxing, more comfortable, and you enjoy it more than just go through this menstrual phase. Now the first thing that you should do during your menstrual phase is stay warm. If you stay away from like cold juice, if you're gonna drink like some orange juice or something like that, throw it in a cup and just leave it sitting for a while so it's not so cold when it goes down. Try to stay away from cold water, cold drinks, and if all that doesn't work and you experience cramps, I know a lot of people experience cramps and pain during your menstrual cycle, get a bottle of water or a warm towel and put it on your belly for a while. You can do this at 30 minutes, just keep changing the water in the bottle or keep wetting your warm washcloth and just put it on your stomach. You realize that it makes you more comfortable and easier cry. Another thing that happens when we have our periods, we crave so much. We want everything sweet. Chocolate, we want chips, we want everything. But you know, food that makes you feel better and that is healthier, that's another way to make you have a more comfortable period. So even though you like chocolate, you know the sweet and the chocolate bloats you up, and you can even add to your breakout, because if you're like me, during your times of the month you get a few breakout, 1 or 2, or a lot of people get a lot. Try to maintain a healthy diet during your period and you'll notice that that works for you. So instead of like chips and pizza and chocolate, if you need chocolate, eat natural cocoa chocolate and 100% natural chocolate. Try to stay away from sugary drinks. Drink a lot of water. Eat some spinach, eat greens, eat bananas. Stock up on food that are rich in vitamin B6, which is, like I said, is like your spinach, your salmon, your banana. Those are the food that you need to eat to make you feel. And did I say drink a lot of water? If I didn't say drink a lot of water, drink a lot of water. Just make sure your water is room temperature. You don't want your water too cold, because we're trying to stay away from cold during this time of the month. Another tip that I have, exercise. A lot of times you're having a period and you feel like you need to lay on the couch and just bum around and just feel sorry for yourself and be emotional. But do you know that exercise stimulates your happy brain? Try and get some exercise as much as you can. Even go for a walk, go for a little jog, go biking. You don't have to do rigorous exercise where you're lifting this weight and doing that and doing all that. Another thing that I want to add to this exercising, I want to fit this in exercise, because a lot of times I know the reason why some people don't exercise during their period. Sometimes it's heavy and you're afraid that if you go to the gym or if you go working out, you're gonna get messed up. But what I do, I use tampon. I use this Kotex right here, and I love this box. I always buy this box. It's a multi-pack. It has 50 in it, and it has 14 regular, 18 super, and 18 super plus. During my heavy flow, I just use the super plus, and sometimes if I'm gonna go exercise and I'm not comfortable with just one super plus, I'll use a pad and the super plus tampons. I know a lot of people are not comfortable with tampon, so they just use a pad, and that's okay, because there were times when I only used pads because I didn't like it. Once I learned how to insert them properly and how to wear it and when to wear it, I've been good and I love wearing tampon. I feel secure. I used to wear tampon and a pad. Now I don't even have to wear a pad, because the one tampon I can work out and I just time it. It will last me, like during my heavy days, one will go for like an hour and a half to 2. When it's not so heavy days, I can have one on for 3-4 hours. So you just have to know your body, and this is why I wanted to make this video, because you need to know your body and know how to treat your body during your menstrual cycle. A lot of times we're experiencing difficulty and discomfort during our menstrual cycle because we're treating our body the same way like we would treat it all month. We're not going through a menstrual phase. We're treating our body the same way throughout the month, but just a little tweak in whatever you do can make a big difference in how you feel when you're having your period. And because we always like to indulge during those uncomfortable time of the month, those 7 or 5 or 3 or 10 uncomfortable days, we love to indulge, but we love to indulge in food. Try indulging in something different. How about treat yourself to a pedicure, a manicure, even if you have to do it yourself. Treat yourself to a massage. Find a nice little massage deal and you treat yourself to a massage. Tell the people around you that would usually gift you things, just let them know you're interested in massage, and they can get like a gift certificate for you, and you get a massage during your period. Sometimes, like right before bed, treat yourself to a nice glass of tea, like a caffeine-free green tea, probably your favorite sugar or your favorite sweetener or no sweetener, like some ginger tea. Boil the ginger and drink the ginger water. Just treat yourself. That'll make you feel. So a few more tips that I have apart from those: just try to wear comfortable underwear, comfortable clothes during your period, and just be confident. Once you have all these tips and tricks of how to feel comfortable or how to be comfortable, then you'll feel comfortable. People won't even know you're going through this time of the month. So yes guys, that's it. If you have any other tips or trick on how to be comfortable during your times of period, place it in the comment bar and I'll read too, and I can also try them myself. So far what has worked for me is warmth on my stomach, drinking room temperature stuff or warm tea. That has worked for me. Eating food that makes you feel better, not just food that tastes better. Food that makes you feel better works for me, like your vegetable and your fruit. Light exercise will work for you, so stay away from the rigorous exercise. So do a little light jog if you usually run, with your treadmill on 7 or 10, run with it on 4 during your time of your period, or just do a nice little brisk walk, or do some yoga. Yoga is perfect. There are yoga poses that target cramps, so yoga is a good exercise when you're having your period. If all else fails, indulge in a manicure, pedicure, nice warm tea, indulge in a massage, and hopefully that will work for you. And I'm always happy to share my tips and tricks with you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.